So I spent the day walking around Shibuya, and now I am going to a robot restaurant. I've heard it's one of the weirdest experiences, so we'll see how it goes. Interesting experience.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel
Imperial Palace, and I'm gonna walk around the gardens for a bit, and then the palace opens up in a couple hours, and it should be absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited. Alright, well, I'm leaving the gardens of the Imperial Palace now. So it is February, and so everything is dead. It's still pretty, but it would be absolutely beautiful in probably the spring. So if you want to come here, you should go more into the spring, like March, April, May. Or the summer would probably be pretty too. I am headed now to a different temple that is about 40 minutes away, and hopefully that's really cool too. So I just went to the Sensho-ji Temple, and it was really beautiful, but there are a lot of tourists here. Now I'm heading to Sushi, taking a train to another part of town, and it should be an amazing sushi dinner. I'm really excited. I have reservations, so it should be fantastic.
You and me would be incredible. I think I love you, yeah. Oh, I think I need ya. I think I'm made for ya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Think I could please ya. I think I want ya. Think I wanna keep ya. Oh, think I'd give it all up for ya. Think I could believe ya. Feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, 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 credible, incredible, 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 credible. Incredible, incredible. Said I won't fight it. This time I won't fight for it. I just gotta feel it. So long I've been missing it. So we can keep dancing. So we can get drunk in the street, yeah. Spinning around all these lampposts like we're in a movie, but it's real, yeah. You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be. Incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. Incredible, credible.
Oh my God, that sushi was so good. If you are in Tokyo, you have to go there. It was amazing. The chef spent 27 years in New York City as a sushi chef and then moved back to Tokyo, and it was phenomenal. You have to go. It was amazing.
Incredible, credible.